Hola Limpier Familia. Are you ready to make your home the envy of the neighborhood? Today, we are going to share 5 simple tips to achieve a sparkling home exterior. Step 1. Start with a clean slate. That means removing any dirt, debris, and cobwebs from your siding and trim. A pressure washer or simple hose can do the trick. Step 2. Add some curb appeal. Plant some colorful flowers, add some potted plants, and give your front door a fresh coat of paint. These little touches can make a big difference. Step 3. Don't forget the windows. Clean windows inside and out, and repair any damaged screens for a polished look. If you have storm windows, make sure they're sparkling too. For an extra touch of style, try adding shutters or awnings to your windows. Step 4. Keep your lawn manicured. Trim the grass, edge the sidewalks, and weed the flower beds. Mulch is a great way to add some color and texture to your landscaping. Step 5. Add some finishing touches. Add some potted plants to your porch or deck, hang some string lights, and add a doormat with some personality. Your home will be the talk of the town. Now that you've got the outside of your home sparkling, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips from Limpier. A healthy home is a happy home. Until next time, bye.